Welcome to Auto's Time, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts. Today, we're thrilled to bring you an exclusive look at the highly anticipated Dodge Viper ACR 2025. This beast of a car is set to take the automotive world by storm, and we can't wait to dive in and explore its incredible features. The Dodge Viper ACR 2025 is the latest iteration of the iconic Viper series, and it's clear that the designers at Dodge have pulled out all the stops to create a truly exceptional vehicle. From its sleek, aerodynamic design to its powerful engine and cutting-edge technology, this car is a masterpiece. Let's start with the exterior. The Viper ACR 2025 boasts a stunning, aggressive design that's sure to turn heads on the road. Its sleek, curved lines and angular edges create a truly menacing look, while its massive rear wing and front splitter give it a serious racing vibe. But it's not just about looks, this car is built for performance. Under the hood, you'll find a massive 8.4-liter V10 engine, producing a staggering 1,000 horsepower and 880 pound-feet of torque. That's right, folks, this car is a real beast. And with its advanced all-wheel drive system and lightweight carbon fiber chassis, the Viper ACR 2025 is capable of some truly incredible feats. We're talking 0–60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, and a top speed of over 200 miles per hour. But what really sets the Viper ACR 2025 apart is its cutting-edge technology. This car features advanced aerodynamics, including active spoilers and air curtains, which work together to create an incredible amount of downforce. And with its advanced driver assistance systems, including launch control and stability control, you'll be able to push this car to its limits with confidence. Inside, the Viper ACR 2025 is just as impressive. Its sleek, race-inspired interior features premium materials and cutting-edge tech, including a massive touchscreen display and advanced driver information center. And with its comfortable, supportive seats and ample cargo space, this car is just as practical as it is powerful. So what's the verdict? The Dodge Viper ACR 2025 is an absolute monster of a car, with its incredible performance, cutting-edge tech, and stunning design making it a must-have for any serious car enthusiast. Whether you're a seasoned racer or just a fan of the Viper series, this car is sure to impress. Thanks for joining us on Auto's Time today, folks. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive car content. And if you're lucky enough to get your hands on a Viper ACR 2025, be sure to share your experiences with us in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you in the next video.